Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video we are going to show you how you can do rust removal with a laser and then how you can reduce speed of corrosion of the metal. So we have a iron piece of steel and you see it's quite rusty. So first of all we'll remove rust with a laser. We'll make actually two pieces, one here and the second is here, and we'll use cold liquid zinc to show you that with cold liquid zinc you can really reduce corrosion speed. Okay, we have maximum speed of 1100 and 99% power. Okay, and another important thing that we are not in focus. Okay, let's start the rust removal process. Probably about like 2, maybe 3 millimeters out of focus. So that's very important. So you can see flashes. Those are plasma flashes that fly away at very high speed. So in total it will take about 3 to 4 minutes for each square. So we'll show you once it's done. Okay, one part is ready, so we'll start and we'll do the second one just to show you two results and complete experiment. And yes, so once I said we're using 10-watt DPSS laser model with short focal length with focal range of 30 millimeters. Okay, now we need to protect it with a film. Okay. For our experiment. Okay, so we have our part where was laser. We removed rust with the laser. Okay, now we'll spray it with cold liquid zinc. Okay, that smells pretty interesting. So we need to wait for about 5 minutes once it becomes dry, and then we'll put it under the laser. So the laser will engrave actually on this suspension. Yeah, and then we'll make a final step of our test with nitric acid. So now you can see that suspension is getting dry. So let's wait for another few minutes. Okay, so we need to remove that tape, so no longer need it. Okay, so we need to find the starting point, and we need to adjust the focal range just to make sure that the laser is in focus, and we'll start engraving, lasering actually, on top of this suspension. Okay, let's start the lasering process. Yeah, you can hear the noise, the sound of once the laser is in focus in full power. You see quite loud beep noise. Okay, I'll take another few minutes to complete. Yeah, that looks gorgeous. I like those flashes flying away at very high speed. That looks pretty good. Okay, so we stopped the process. So this one was we have laser removed rust, then we added suspension, and then we lasered. Here we did not add suspension and we just did laser removal, and on the third part we have rust removal with the laser and just sprayed with a paint with a liquid zinc. So let's see which works the best. Okay, so let's clean it up just to see what we have over there. We don't need this big layer. So we have some zinc on the surface. Okay, and we add nitric acid. It's not high concentration, so be very, very careful once you operate, once you do something with nitric acid. Okay, we see some reactions over there. Okay, you can see that we still have some reactions going here. We don't see anything there. Well, once we don't see, it doesn't mean that nothing happens over there. Okay, we need to wait a little bit, maybe like a few more minutes, just to make sure that the process is done. Okay, let's clean it up. Okay, so here is our result. So you see that the part that was actually covered with zinc and then was lasered, we see no defects, so absolutely good. So here we saw some parts of metal, so actually the acid actually went through this liquid zinc. Here we also see some bubbles over here, but here, let me zoom in. So that's quite good. And I definitely think that this option, when you do laser rust removal and then you cover with liquid zinc and then do a laser engraving on it, will definitely improve the lifetime of your metal part and will reduce corrosion speed. So I hope that you like this video. Please share it with your friends, subscribe on our channel. If you have any questions, you're welcome to ask me, gf@endurancerobots.com, and my phone is +7 9162 5432, and visit our website endurancelasers.com and our online store endurance-lasers.com to learn more about endurance lasers. Bye bye.